Hi everyone, I am Mahir Asef. If you run a mobile auto detailing business and you struggle to get consistent booking every month, you are definitely not alone. The truth is, most detailing business don't have a Google Ads problem. They have a marketing system problem. Today I will walk you through the biggest challenge I see in the industry and more importantly, how to fix them. The real problem. Let's start the real issue. Most detailing business depend on referrals, Facebook posts, repeat customers, or word or mouth. These methods can bring in the customers, but they aren't predictable. You can build a growing business if you don't know where next week's booking are coming from. A successful business needs a repeatable lead generation business, not luck. Inconsistent booking. Does this sound familiar? One week you fully booked, the next week your calendar is almost empty. That inconsistency makes it impossible to plan, hire, invest, or grow. Your business shouldn't feel like a roller coaster. It should produce consistent booking every week. Too many clicks, too few calls. Many business owners tell me I am getting plenty of clicks, but nobody is calling. More traffic doesn't automatically mean more customers. If your ads are attracting the wrong audience, you're simply paying for visitors in test for buyers. That's why campaign structure and keyword targeting matters so much. Low quality leads. Another common problem is attracting people who only ask, how much does it cost? They request a quote, then despair. These are price shopper, not serious buyers. A properly structured Google Ads campaign targets people who are ready to book, not just compare prices. Competitors get the customers. Every day people search Google for service like mobile car detailing near me. If your competitors appear fast and your business doesn't, they are getting those customers before you even have a chance. Visibility create opportunity. If you are invisible online, you are invisible to potential customers. No conversion tracking. Here's on the biggest mistake I see. Many businesses spend money on Google Ads without knowing what's actually working. Which keyword generated the phone call, which campaign produced the booking. Without conversion tracking, every marketing decision become a guess. A high cost per lead isn't always caused by competition. More often is caused by poor campaign structure, broad keywords, missing negative keywords, weak account organization. These small mistakes can definitely increase your advertising cost. The solution: a proper structured Google Ads search campaign on that focused on attracting qualified local customer, tracking very important action, and continuously optimizing performance. The goal isn't just more clicks. The goal is most booked. The goal is more booked appointments and predictable business growth. The framework. Every successful campaign I build follow the same framework: high intent keywords, accurate conversion tracking, landing page optimization, keyword negative keywords, call tracking, and continuous optimization. When all of this work together, Google Ads become a reliable growth system, not just another advertising expenses. If you are running a mobile auto detailing business and you are looking at more qualified leads, more phone calls, and more booked appointments, I would be happy to help. I am Mahir Asef. I specialized in Google Ads search campaign for local service business. Thank you for watching and I hope to connect with you soon.